Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss some notes on compound interest and I solve also exercise 11b. So some notes are: first first note, if if interest is compounded half yearly, then n is multiplied by 2 and r is divided by 2. Second note, if interest is compounded quarterly, then n is multiplied by 4 and r means rate is divided by 4. Note 3, if r equal to r 1%, r 2%, r 3%, continuous 3 year, then A equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Note 4, if n is in the form of mixed fraction, such that if n equal to 3 whole 2 by 5, n equal to 3 whole 2 by 5, then A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3 whole number into 1 plus R into 2 by 5. So R into 2 by 100 into 5. And note 5, if R equal to rate of depreciation, R equal to rate of depreciation, then value after n years if R equal to rate of depreciation, then value after n years equal to A equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Write it. Students, now I solve exercise 11b. Question number 1 and 6 are written on this board. Find the amount and compound interest. Find the amount and compound interest on question number 1. Rupees 6,000 for 2 years at 9% per annum compounded annually. So question number 1. Question number 1. P equal to rupees 6,000. N equal to 2 years and R equal to 9% per annum. So first of all, find amount. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n equal to P is rupees 6,000 into 1 plus 9 by 100 to the power n equal to 2 equal to rupees 6,000. Now next step. Rupees 6,000 into 100 LCM. So 100 LCM, now 100 plus 9, 109 to the power 2 equal to rupees 6,000 into 109 by 100 to the power 2. So 109 by 100 into 109 by 100. 00 to 00. 10 to 10. Now multiply here. 109 into 109. 109 into 109. 9 9 is 81. 1 9 is 9. And 0 time 1 time 9 0 1. Add it 1 8 9 9 9 plus 9 18 of 8 1. Now it is multiplied by 6. 6, 8 6 are 48, of 8 carry 2, 8 6 are 48, of 8 carry 4, sorry, 8 6 are 48, of 8 carry 4, 8 6 are 48, 4, 48 plus 4, 52, of 2 carry 5, 11 6 are 66 plus 5, 66 plus 5, 71. 71. So it is rupees 71286 by 10. 71,286 divided by 10 equal to 7128.60. One answer is it is amount. Now find CI, compound interest, equal to A minus P, equal to rupees 7,128.60 minus rupees, principal is 6,000, equal to decimal 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 0, 1, and 7 minus 6, 1. Rupees 1,128.60 answer. Write it. Students, next question is question number 6. Find amount and compound interest. Rupees 9,000. So P equal to rupees now 9,000. For 2 years. N equal to 2 years 4 months. Two years 4 months. It's changed into years. So 2 whole 4 by 12. 4 3 are 12 equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. N equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. And R equal to 10%. Right here also. R equal to 10%. R equal to 10%. Now find A equal to, here N is in the form of mixed fraction. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to P is rupees 9,000 into 1 plus R is 10. 10 by 100 into 1 plus 10 into 1 by 100 into 3. 100 into 3. Now cancel it. Here power 2 whole, sorry. 2. 9,000 into 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 10 into 1 by 100 into 3. So 1 0 2 1 0 cancel. 1 0 2 1 0 cancel. Equal to rupees 9,000 into, here 10 LCM, 11 by 10 to the power 2, so 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 10 3 are 30, LCM 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 10. Now 1 0, second 0, third 0. First, second, third 0 cancel. Sorry, here 30. 3 3 are 9. So 11 into 11. 11 into 11, 121. Now 31 3 are 93. So 121 multiplied by 93. Multiply it. 1 3 are 3, 2 3 are 6, and 3 3 are 3. 9 times. 1 9 are 9, 2 9 are 18. Of 8 carry 1. 1 9 are 9 plus 1 10. 3, 6 plus 9, 15 of 3, carry 1, 3 plus 8, 11, 1, 12 of carry 2, 12 of 2 carry 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Equal to 11,253. One answer, amount, and second answer CI. Compound interest is A minus P equal to A. 11,253. 11,253 minus rupees 9,000. Equal to 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, and 11 minus 9, 2. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 9. 3 years ago, Beru purchased a buffalo from Sujit for rupees 11,000. What payment will discharge his debt now? The rate of interest being 10% per annum, compounded annually. Here given P equal to rupees 11,000. N equal to 3 years ago. So 3 years. And R equal to 10% per annum. So find A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Equal to P equal to rupees 11,000 into 1 plus R10 by 100 to the power N. N is 3. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. Now equal to rupees 11,000 into LCM is 10, so 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 10 to the power 3, so 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, 1 0, first 0, second 0 and third 0, first 0, second 0, third 0. Now 11 into 11, 121, and 11 into 11 121. So multiply here 121 into 121. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 ja 2. 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1. Add it 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 2 2 4, 1. So rupees 14,641. Rupees 14,641. Answer. Understand and write it. Friends, next question is 15. It is very important question. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on a certain sum for 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 93. In 3 years rate 10% per annum. Find the sum. So let P equal to rupees X, T equal to N. T for simple interest and N for compound interest. T equal to N 3 years. R equal to 10% per annum. Find A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to rupees X into 1 plus R equal to 10%. So 10 by 100 to the power 3. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. Equal to rupees X into LCM is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10 to the power 3. So 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, multiply each other 10 times. Now 11 into 11 121, 121 into 11 equal to rupees 1331. 1331 X by 1000. 1331 X by 1000. Now find simple interest. SI equal to P into R into T. P into R into T by 100 equal to rupees X into 10 into 3 by 1000. 0 to 0 cancel. Equal to rupees 3x by 10. So now find here CI. CI equal to A minus P. One 1331 X by 1000 minus X. So LCM find first of all CI equal to LCM 1000 1331x minus 1000x equal to rupees 331x by 1000. Now find SI. P into R into T by 100 equal to rupees x into 10 into 3 by 100. 10 to 10 cancel equal to rupees 3x by 10. Now according to question, the difference between compound interest and simple interest 331x by 1000 minus SI 3x by 10 equal to rupees 93. That implies LCM is 1000. So 331x minus 1000 divided by 10, quotient is 100, 100 into 3, so 300x. 300x equal to rupees 93. Now 31x by 1000 equal to rupees 93. That implies x equal to rupees 93, 31 by 1000 by transposition change into 1000 by 31. 31 3 ja 93. So 3 into 1000 rupees 3000 is the principal. So homework. Homework is solve exercise 11B. Solve exercise 11B. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 11B, question number 1 to 15. Thank you. That's all.